Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to configure logoff policy for desktop VDA. For server VDA it will not take effect because Citrix is recommended to go with MS GPO if it is server VDA. So now we are going to configure this policy for desktop VDA. So we need to use these three settings. So one is disconnected. If the user session is disconnected, the session need to be log off. This is one concern. The second concern is if the session is having any network interrupt, so based on the threshold value time, it will wait. So once the session reach the threshold value, the session will be logged off. Another one is if there is no movement on the desktop video like mouse movement and other things, like if it is idle based on the threshold time, it will be logged off. So now I will show you how to configure and how to apply this policy to desktop operating system delivery group. So this is a Citrix Studio. Now I am going to create policy. So already we have one existing policy, that is a UPM. So now I am going to create one more policy to log up the user session. If it is disconnected, if it is idle, if there is no, if it is any network interrupt. So just filter with session limits. Sorry, session limit. Okay. So first we have to enable. So second one, we need to specify that time. Suppose if the session is disconnected, after how many minutes we need to wait to log up the user session. So I am giving just 1 minute for testing purpose. You should not give like 1 minute in real time like in a production environment. So for the testing purpose I am giving only 1 minute so that I can show you the log off. So just mention the timing as well. So just I am mentioning 1 minute. So session idle, enable. So then set to 1 minute. So click OK. So now we have configured three setting. So just select the delivery group. So this is for server delivery group, server operations delivery group. This is for Windows 10 delivery group. So only it will be applicable for desktop operating system. So that's why I'm selecting Windows 10 delivery group here. So click next. So give the policy name, enable policy, click finish. So now to go to try to access the Windows 10 machine and keep the session for 1 minute idle. We'll see whether it will be logging off from the studio. So Windows 10 stop for idle for some time. So after 1 minute we'll see whether it will be logging off or not, because we have configured. So we have configured for idle session also. If it is idle for 1 minute, this session should be log off. Okay, now session has been logged off. We'll check it on the studio once. Go to delivery group. So now it will be disconnected. So after 1 minute it should be logged off. We'll check that as well, whether it's logging off or not. Yes, now the session has been logged off, because if there is no mouse movement, or else if the session is idle, it will disconnect. Then it will wait for 1 minute. Then it will log off based on our policy configuration. Thank you.